In this video, I explain what ethics and moral philosophy are, and how they influence our actions. We look at different topics that help us understand how to make the right decisions. Ethics is the study of right action. It deals with the question of what is good and bad, and how we can decide what we should do. It's not only about personal decisions, but also about living together in society. Ethics helps us recognize the right values and norms. Moral philosophy is a subfield of ethics. It asks why certain actions are morally right or wrong. Philosophers have thought about this for centuries and have come up with different answers. Moral philosophy helps us reflect more deeply on our behavior and the reasons behind it. Ethics is important because it helps us make good decisions in difficult situations. Without ethics, everyone might act only in their own interest, which would lead to conflict. In society, we need common rules to live together peacefully. Ethics shows us how we can take responsibility. Morality refers to the specific rules and norms that apply in a society. Ethics, on the other hand, is the theoretical discussion of these rules. While morality tells us what we should do, ethics helps us understand why these rules exist. Both are important for guiding our behavior properly. There are different theories that help us understand what right action is. One well-known theory is utilitarianism, which aims for the greatest happiness for the most people. Another theory is deontological ethics, which considers certain actions to be right or wrong regardless of the consequences. These theories offer different perspectives on right action. The categorical imperative is an important idea in deontological ethics developed by Immanuel Kant. It states that we should act only according to that maxim by which we can will, that it should become a universal law. This means we must always act so that our decisions would be fair for everyone. This idea helps us find universal moral principles. Virtue ethics focuses on a person's character. It assumes that we become better people through developing virtues such as courage, honesty, and justice. Unlike other theories, virtue ethics evaluates not only our actions but also our inner attitudes. Its goal is to lead a good and fulfilled life. An ethical dilemma occurs when we face a difficult decision where all options have pros and cons. In such situations, we cannot be sure what the right choice is. Ethical dilemmas show us how complex the topic of ethics can be. They help us reflect on how we can act morally in challenging situations. Ethics is not only discussed in philosophy, but also applied in many other fields. It is important in medicine, politics, and business. In each of these areas, decisions must be made that affect the well-being of other people. Ethics gives us the tools to make these decisions responsibly.